In this video, I am going to be doing a Lil Yachty's Reese's Puffs taste test. So yesterday, I was at the grocery store with my mom, and we were going to buy cereal, and we were going to buy Reese's Puffs, and I saw that Lil Yachty had some Reese's Puffs on the shelf, and I thought, hey, maybe I might want to try it, might make a video out of it, because it seems like a new flavor. Like, this doesn't look like the normal Reese's Puffs, at least it didn't look like the ones on the shelf, so I decided, hey, why not just buy the Lil Yachty's Reese's Puffs and, make a video out of them and taste test them and review them. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So let's open the box. And here's the bag. I just got to open that real quick. Alright, and now we got to pour the cereal. Already got my spoon in here. You can see. Throw out the Lil Yachty's Reese's Puffs in the bowl now. And I'm just going to do a little, not wet taste test. I'm going to taste some of them. Can you see? Yeah, I'm going to taste some of them without the milk. Not bad. I don't know what normal Reese's Puffs taste like because I haven't had them in 3 years or something like that. But these are not bad. Not bad. Now, I'm going to try them with milk. Almond milk, because I don't like normal milk. And almond milk is the best. Let's pour that in. Alright. Now we have the Lil Yachty's Reese's Puffs with milk in them. Not bad. I think I'd give these a solid 7 out of 10, I think. These are pretty good. I do not know how normal Reese's Puffs taste. So as I was recording, the video cut out because my iPad did not have enough storage, so I had to go into settings and delete some things in order to continue making this video. But the last thing I said, which cut out while I was saying, was, as I said earlier, I had not had normal Reese's Puffs in a very long time, so I cannot really judge them or, compare them to normal Reese's Puffs. So anyways, back into the eating part of this video. Yeah, as I said, they're not bad. There's a notification on my iPad, which has not went away, so I'm going to swipe up on that. These are not bad. Can you stop with the notifications? This is annoying as shit. Okay. Anyways, this is going to be a very scuffed video. But these Reese's Puffs, Lil Yachty's Reese's Puffs, they're not bad. Lil Yachty, you did a good job on them. On the back it says, collect all 4 boxes to complete the poster. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I don't think I'll buy these again. Because there's better cereals out there, but, not a bad cereal overall. I would recommend these to anyone who likes peanut-based cereals or cereals that taste kind of like peanut butter, Let me see if I can center this. Alright, that's better. I think I'm just going to finish this whole bowl of cereal on video. If you just came for the review, then I guess you can leave, but if you want to see me finish the cereal, then watch to the end of the video. I got too much in my mouth right there. Good cereal. I just one of the little cereal things, I just choked on it and it was got stuck in my throat, but yeah, okay, that happened. And there's no more cereal left, so I'm just gonna drink the milk. Yeah, not bad as I said. Solid 7 out of 10 cereal. If you liked the video, then leave it a like and subscribe for similar content. I think I have another food review either planned for later today or maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I think I might start making food review videos. Because why not, you know? Why the fuck not? But yeah, if you like this video, like it, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.